take me through what your wish is.
My wish is to go to Disney.
For weeks, 11-year-old Cohen Carnes has been counting down till today. He and his family were set to fly out of Detroit for Orlando, staying at Give Kids the World, courtesy of Make-A-Wish.
How excited, have you been for this wish?
Really excited.
But Cohen is still at home with his family in Grand Rapids. Their trip postponed due to Hurricane Ian.
This was a long time coming. Cohen's wish was also postponed due to the pandemic.
It's a wish Cohen has waited 2 years for. He was diagnosed with leukemia in 2018 and had his wish postponed in 2020 due to the pandemic. Since then, his cancer returned, leading to a second bone marrow transplant. He's now ready to travel, but Hurricane Ian had other plans.
It's been an ultimate, long-awaited and very highly anticipated trip that has to wait even longer.
Disney announced their park would be closed Wednesday and Thursday due to the storm as it heads inland from the Gulf Coast. The storm made landfall as a Category 4.
So this is one of the most difficult things, right? There's things in the world we can't control. We can't control if a child gets ill. We can't control the weather.
Michigan wish-granting organization Rainbow Connection is also impacted. Of their nearly 160 yearly wishes, 65% are to Disney. They've had to postpone 2 families and are scrambling now to get another family home.
If there's a will, there's a way. We're granting wishes and we're going to make sure we can do the best we can to get them home safe and sound.
We're disappointed, but I mean, we can wait.
Meanwhile, the Carnes family will wait again, hopefully for just a few months. Still thankful they're safe at home with Cohen's cancer now in remission.
I just think about all the families and Florida residents, having to go through all this.
And as you can see, as the hurricane is making its way inland, it is heading towards Orlando. Give Kids a World is hoping to reopen by Friday, but they have to see what the storm damage will be. I'm Brett Cast, 7 Action News.